Today, we're talking about the Skullcandy Sesh True Wireless In-Ear Earbuds. Let's do this. Yes, these are truly wireless, perfectly simple, and they are one of the smallest and lightest true wireless earbuds that pack a full punch of all new tech. Each bud has a single button to do everything you're used to and sound brilliant doing it. Some of the key features and details: Bluetooth wireless technology, 10 years of total battery, IP55, sweat, water, and dust resistant. It does come with its own charging case. They do come with a microphone where you can make calls and track, as well as volume controls, and you can use the active assistant with Siri and Google. So these headphones are a great budget-friendly option for iPhone and Android users alike, really giving earpods a run for their money. They aren't complicated to charge or pair and are good for both men and women. I found that the sound from these earbuds was actually remarkably good. Pounding bass and depth of sound was an unexpected surprise considering the price point. The fit can be customized by using the included ear gels. With these, I did have to go one size down from the medium size, and it does appear to be the default size of the pair that I received. The initial fit was very good for noise cancelling, even in low volumes, but my ears did hurt from the fit after about 20 minutes. A little less noise reduction with the smaller ear gels, but it was definitely more comfortable for me. When using the controls on the Sesh, I did find some ear discomfort at times as I needed to depress the earbud, basically click it, and had to do so with a medium touch. This wasn't terrible, but I think users who frequently like to change their volume settings, answer calls, or fast forward to their favorite songs may find this issue less than favorable. The buds didn't stick out much for my ears and looked fairly flush, which is a good thing. This was better than most earbuds that I've tried, and it seemed to help with noise cancellation too. When fully charged in the case, the Sesh headphones offer about 3 hours of use. The case does recharge the buds with the capacity. You have up to 10 hours of charge with your earbuds, which basically last a day. The buds do snap into the case in a way that you feel them connect. It is magnetic, so you'll know when they're closed. Closing the magnetic lid on the charger, there is a little bit of a snap that kind of indicates it has magnetically and securely closed. It does have 4 LED lights that will illuminate on the front of the case when the case and earbuds are fully charged and connected via USB to a power source. The lights do go out when the case is unplugged. You can charge your Skullcandy Sesh earbuds in their case via USB ports on computers, power banks, and even your house outlet. The cable is kind of short, but you probably have compatible extras from other gadgets available to you. And if not, a larger cable can be obtained for less than maybe $2 or $5, around there. I like the Sesh, and I can see where those who haven't even experienced earbuds would find the user experience out of the box much less intimidating than some others. So basically, whether you are a long-time wireless Bluetooth in-earphone user or a first-time user, these are definitely worth your consideration. The sound is great, the fit is good, the battery life is good, and the buds fit pretty well and charge quickly in the case. The controls are easy to use after a little practice. Sesh uses the latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology. The earbuds are dirt and sweat resistant, and they do come with a 2-year limited warranty, which is one of the best I've seen around. So some of the things that come in the box are the earbuds, the ear gels, small, medium, and large, charging case, micro USB cable, and the user guide plus a 2-year warranty. If you need to pair these for the first time, step 1, remove the earbuds from the package, of course. 2, place them in the case and make sure the LEDs on both earbuds turn red, and then close the case. Now, remove your earbuds from the case. By doing this, it will automatically turn the Sesh on and put it into pairing mode. You can then select Sesh from your list of Bluetooth devices. Please note, you must make sure Bluetooth is turned on in settings on your device for pairing start. To turn them off, simply put the earbuds back in the case and close the lid. Controls: to pause or play your music, press either bud once. To turn up the volume, press the right bud twice. To turn down the volume, press the left bud twice. To skip a song forward, press and hold the right bud for 2 seconds. There is a beep, and then you know it goes forward. To skip a song backwards, same thing, just do the opposite. Press and hold the left bud for 2 seconds. To take a call, you can press any of the buds once. You can also end the call by pressing either bud once. If you want to reject a call from your mother-in-law, like I do, just press and hold the right or left bud for 2 seconds. If you want to use Siri or Google, make sure to press the left or right bud 3 times. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Have a great day.